afternoon and welcome to our today's 1 p.m. bulletin, being the 20th of September 2021. My name is Elizabeth Mwema. ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi concludes second day of voting hunting in Meru County. Mudavadi calls on voters to prioritize electing leaders with integrity that will serve the nation and not self-centered leaders who will capture power for selfish reasons. Mudavadi also warns those against hate mongering ahead of 2022 general election. He said this while attending a church service at Methodist Church in Chabwani.
Tumeanza kuona kile tunaita intolerance ya siasa. Watu kuanza kutumiana maneno mabaya na tusipochunga tutafika wakati tena watu wachapane. Na hatutaki jambo hilo. Na utulivu wakati huu wa watu kuanza kujipanga kupiga kura mwaka ujao. Kwa sababu tukiwa na hali ya taharuki, watu hawatapiga kura vizuri. Tu Kenya iwe na uchumi bora. Uchumi wetu imarike. Tuzingatie sheria na vijana wapate pesa mfuko.
ODM leader Raila Odinga has unveiled a draft of proposed measures. He says the measures will uplift the Kenyan youths. The 17-point agenda proposed is, among other measures, tax holiday for business, startups, and prioritization of the appointments of youths in the government to scramble for the youths ahead of 2022 general election.
Kusaidia vijana kuanzisha biashara na vile kufanya njia ya kuleta viwanda hapa ili vijana wengi waweze kupata kazi, kupanda ICT vile waweze kupata pesa ya kuanzisha biashara yao na kadhalika. Kwa hivyo hiyo
goal as governments is to listen to our youth and thereafter ensure that the systems as well fit in to their operating environment and are conducive for greater youth participation.
Hawataki vijana wapate nafasi ya kufanya kazi. Kuna watu hawataki tuondoe umaskini kwa sababu wako na biashara na umaskini, wanataka watu wa kuwapigia makofi na kuwaabudu. Na ndio tunawaambia hakuna vile tunaweza kuendelea na Kenya ambayo wengi hawana namna.
And a week after the banning of the politics in church, politicians changed tack after religious leaders banned politics in church. The Deputy President William Ruto keeps off politics in address at IPCA Church in Githunguri, Kiambu County.
Vile viongozi wetu wa kanisa walivyosema, sisi tulio viongozi na wanasiasa ni vizuri tuheshimu madhabahu na kuheshimu kanisa. Tusije tukaleta siasa na mashindano ya siasa katika madhabahu ya Mungu.
Yote ambayo tungetaka kusema leo imesemwa na viongozi wa kanisa. Tungetaka tuheshimu the altar and we keep off politics.
The Speaker of the National Assembly, Justin Muturi, urges members of Parliament to stop discussing the issue of raising of fuel and wait till on Tuesday during the Parliament sittings. Speaking at St. Michael Catholic Church in Gianungu fundraiser in Runyanyenye's constituency, Embu County, the Speaker says he will hardenly approve the motion. Other leaders also supported his move, saying it requires quick intervention.
Ya maisha imekuwa juu sana. Mimi nataka kuwauliza wabunge, tukirudi Jumanne, leteni mswada, nita-approve to reduce taxation on fuel. Babu, hawa mwachagua kuwakilisha nyinyi, si ni kweli? Na wabunge wengine. Sasa nataka kuuliza wabunge, tafadhalini waacha kuzungumzia huku sasa kwa mikutano Jumanne. Pale kwa chemba. Tuache sasa kwa sababu sasa wabunge hawezi kuja kuulia kama mwananchi pia analia. And I'm happy. Mmesikia vile Ses na Karebo wamesema. Tukirudi bunge hiyo kazi tuanze hiyo.
Fuel prices have reached levels we have I want to remind President Uhuru, when he was becoming president of Kenya, a liter of fuel was 65 shillings. Today, it is 135 shillings. Surely, it is not affordable anymore. We are asking that we go back to the basics. Tuache kuongea mambo ya bia, tuingie bunge tuone vile tutasaidia mwananchi. Ama aje hiyo bei ya mafuta iweze kuteremka.
Environmentalists craft new ways of raising forest to cover to 40%. Initiative encourages individuals to plant trees equivalent to their age. They say the trees will not yield much if no effort is made to grow the trees. Therefore, Kenyans are urged to plant as many trees as their age, and the country should aim at not less 40% cover.
Has brought a lot of impact in the community because we have managed to get more friends. We have started projects in the community, environmental projects.
It has been a productive venture. The youth have been employed. Some of them have started their own nurseries. Some of them have decided to become youth ambassadors.
Imetoa youths out of crime, juu wanapata kitu kidogo, but so far wengine bado wako, juu they don't have hands meet. Because now I can tell you the truth, it is difficult, it is hard.
From the initiative Plant Your Age, most of them were able to establish tree nurseries. We don't need to go and look for jobs.
Donations and tax rebates is the direction to go. Where very well thought out tax rebate measures are given to companies that are doing business for social profit, and they are tangibly touching community.
Police in Nakuru County are investigating over a case where it was a shock as Nakuru-based doctor murders his own 2 children. The doctor is suspected to have injected minors with a chemical substance. Later, the doctor was found unconsciously after attempting to take his own life. Inclusive results on the cause of the 2 deaths.
The house, only to get that there were 2 kids who had already died, and the father to the kids had also been in an unconscious. These samples for purposes of confirming whether the drugs that may have caused the death could have been injected or orally taken. And that is why we want to compare the samples with whatever we had collected at the scene. At that point, we'll be able to get the opinion of the government chemist officers. Then we can be able to know the cause of the death.
And on that, I'll be taking a short break. I'll be coming back with business and sports news. Stay tuned.
You know, I also miss my father.
You were still so small when he left you. How come you miss him?
Some people fight for their dreams.
Remember, you're going to have to finish your studies so you can find a good job.
Doctor.
Too costly.
Or a lawyer.
It will take too long.
Some people learn to stand on their own feet.
I'll achieve all of my dreams for myself and for all of you, okay?
Okay.
I can't be late for my next job.
Tell me you have another job.
I'll order from you all the time, as long as you'll personally deliver them to us.
The bank foreclosed our farm.
Life goes on.
Love will lead them back to each other.
You can only find the sweetest mangoes here!
I wonder if she's here.
It's impossible to find your father.
Not my father, brah. I meant Bianca.
10 years have already passed. I'm sure she's forgotten you.
Bianca.
But they can't escape the shadows of the past.
I'm going to be a farmer!
This can't be. My life is just starting, Rigor.
I should not be scared. No one can know about my pregnancy. And now that Rigor's gone, so is our secret. My son! Gabriel, your father's here.
This is a story about a game of life.
Like you in my life, that there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the
people in my life always leave me behind.
We will never be apart again.
Forever, my love.
Bianca is mine. I can give her anything she wants. I hate losing.
Monday to Friday at 6 p.m.
Two promises of eternity. The promise of love. A married life doesn't guarantee a bed of roses. There are doubts in the moment when the relationship becomes strained.
I regret the day I took you in.
Sorry, Gabriel. I'm sorry.
If your first love returns, what will you choose? To go back to the eternal love of your past, or fight for your vows against the destructive temptation?
They're also arresting Mr. Gustin. He didn't do anything. He was against this whole thing.
The police know what they're doing. Gustin will be fine. Trust me.
HLC TV brings you the boldest drama.
You bastard!
Oh, hey, hey!
You have no shame. How could you? You cheated on me with our own employee.
I don't know you, miss, but I know those tears. You're crying out of a broken heart, like you're being torn in half.
Betrayal.
Ni msichana aliyeamua kupambana dhidi ya mila na desturi, uhusiano unaopelekea hadithi ya mapenzi. Wivu unaoleta chuki na majonzi. Je, Ganga atapata furaha, amani na mapenzi? Fuatilia hadithi bomba ya kusisimua na kufurahisha.
Sawa mama mwenye nyumba, nitafanya kile unachokisema.
Unategemea mtoto wako wa 5, lakini mbali na haya wala hujagundua ya kwamba kamwe hutakiwi kuwa na mawazo mengi sana ukiwa katika hali hiyo.
Ganga. I was born into a family, but they betrayed me.
Guilty, beyond reasonable doubt, of the crime of murder.
And now, the city is haunted.
Who's there? You think you can play games with me? Show yourself! Yes, I may be dead.
The Bride Killer. Every Saturday and Sunday from 3 p.m. only on HLC TV.
Welcome back. A family in Kiambu County, Gatundu area is crying for justice following the disappearance of a young businessman who was reported to be picked from his shop by people suspected to be policemen more than 2 weeks ago. Stanley Mutua, of 34 years, was arrested at his shop in Kimoni Trading Center on September 3rd of this month and driven in a private car.
kesho yake tukaenda polisi, tukakuja hapa polisi Kimonyo, tukaenda polisi Juja, tukaenda polisi Kesi, tukaenda polisi Gatondo, tukaenda polisi Vika, hatupati.
Sasa kama huko Kiambu nilienda huko kwa nini, kwa DCI, huko kwa CCIO, mkuu mwingine hapo ananiambia atendeni muangalie hospitali ama mochari. Sasa nashindwa, mtu anakuwa arrested anafu tumtafute mochari, kwani alikuwa mgonjwa akitoka hapa?
Sasa nashindwa ni makosa gani amefanya, na hatuwezi ambiwa, wanasida wakituzungusha huku na sasa hatumpati.
And in business news is that Naivasha Nakuru County is striving to expand its market structures as Hetia Supermarket opens a retail shop. They are promising its customers affordable services. The customers appreciated the management for that move, saying there was shortage of supermarkets in Naivasha town.
Tukikuwa na ugumu nje, hatuwezi kuogopa kuendelea mbele. Sasa lazima tujitahidi, tujikase kufanya kazi na tuendelee kusonga mbele.
Sisi tulikuwa tumezoea supermarket ile ya Bungoma Hetias, lakini vile mmetuletea Naivasha, sisi ni customer wa hapa.
Tuko na uhaba wa supermarket, na wakati hii imekuja tunajua imeleta competition, na wakati imeleta competition bei nimeona
competition is very healthy. It brings about more innovativeness in business. So we believe that our coming here in this town will even make their business grow.
Biashara ya retail ama sana pande ya supermarket iko na challenges mingi sana. Kama pengine mjakaa ama management hajakaa sana na kupiga hesabu mzuri, mara mingi sana huwa zinatikisika. So ni swala tu la kuweza kuchunga sana pande ya operation cost, ambayo ni very major factor ambayo inasumbua sana pande ya operation supermarket.
Business is very tricky business. If you play your cards well, then you are able to succeed very well.
In sports news, Football Kenya Federation has unveiled Turkish Tatishan Firat as the new Harambee Stars coach on a 2-month contract. Firat was previously in charge of Mall International team, will be on probation with his long-term future depending on whether Kenyan can reap maximum points in the next round of the World Cup qualifies. He will replace former coach Jacob Ghost Mulee, who parted way to the national team last week. And that is the end of our 1 p.m. bulletin today. Don't miss to watch our briefs at 4 p.m. with Ross Ocheng, and main bulletin at 7 p.m. with Nancy Gitonga, 9 p.m. with Bulan Musindi. My name is Elizabeth Mwema. Have a lovely afternoon.